Hi guys, how you doing? In today's art lesson, we're gonna talk about primary colors. And primary colors are three: red, yellow, and blue. I'm sure you have seen this movie. It's called Rio, and it takes place in Brazil, the country we are learning from. As you can see in the title, we can find the three primary colors: blue, yellow, and red. We're going to talk about body parts of a parrot. We can find here the beak. They can fly with their wings that are full of feathers. They also have a long tail, and here you can see their claws. This is our artwork today. We're gonna draw a parrot. And how are we gonna use this parrot? Well, we're gonna use water paint. We're gonna use primary colors to make its body. We're gonna use color red, yellow, and blue. Let's start drawing a parrot. You ready? Now we're gonna start making lines that help us drawing the beak. And now we're gonna do a line to make its head and also its eye. It doesn't matter if it doesn't look like mine. Each parrot is different. Now we're gonna draw its body. We're gonna draw a line in the middle, and it's gonna end up with some feathers at the end of the wings. We're gonna make some lines around that line in the middle. And now we're gonna finish its eye. We're gonna do the branches from a tree, and we're gonna complete it with some leaves. It's very simple. You just need to make 2 lines. Now we're making the claws and the tail. We're gonna make 5 lines and its tummy. Now we're gonna add some color. I'm gonna use red. Ooh, this is too dark. I'm gonna change the tool and I'm gonna use a lighter red. Yes, this is the red I wanted. I'm gonna start by coloring its head, and I'm gonna add some more deeper tones in some of the areas. Now I'm gonna switch into the yellow color, which is another primer one, and I'm gonna add a bit more of red on top of it and in the tummy. Now I'm gonna choose a blue one, and I'm gonna go for a darker one, like that. Now I'm ended up the tail using blue as well as red. As you know, these are the primary colors. Now I'm gonna color the beak. I'm gonna put a yellowish tone, and also I'm gonna use a bit of dark using black. Now I'm gonna change and make again all the details and lines that I couldn't see well after using the water paint. I'm gonna add some more lines in the tail. And now I'm gonna add a bit more of white in some of the areas to make them lighter. I'm gonna color the branches. I'm gonna put a yellowish tone, and I'm ended up coloring the leaves. Now I'm gonna use a darker color to make it more realistic. And I'll end up my drawing adding the background. And as you know, blue is a primary color. I hope you like this task.